Congratulations on tapping into the energy of your manifestation. That's totally great. But now what? If you're feeling a little bit lost, don't sweat it because it's not your fault.
Okay, here's the tea. It's simply not enough to connect with the energy of your manifestation. You need to learn to call it in. Understanding how your energy influences your manifestations are key. It is the difference between this, come here boy, come on, or this, come on baby, come to mama.
Just because you tapped into the energy of your manifestation doesn't guarantee that it's coming your way.
I know, mind-blowing, right?
Okay, but don't worry because we are about to spill the beans on how to supercharge your manifestations without any slowdowns.
The secret sauce is understanding your why. Hey Randy, why do you want more money?
To pay my bills,
Why?
to be debt-free,
Why do you want to be debt-free?
to feel less stressed,
Why do you want to be less stressed?
so I can kick anxiety to the curb and spend more time with my family.
Why do you want to spend more family time?
Because they're my everything, and being the best version for myself for them is non-negotiable.
That is your why. The energy that fuels your cord for your manifestation. So now if you're scratching your head about cords, don't worry. We covered cords in a previous video.
When we tap into the core of our why and channel that energy through our cords, our manifestations zoom towards us at a warp speed. Picture this. You're stressed out, frantically cleaning your current house, but the new dream house is just inches away, except it can't quite make it because of your energy.
Here's the deal. If you're pouring your stressed out vibes into your manifestations, you're actually repelling what it is you're wanting to attract. It's like not being a vibrational match for what it is you're wanting to manifest. You can't crank up your vibration to match this if you're clueless about the energy that you're putting forward through your cord.
Your energy is the vibe you're sending out to the universe, and it's what your manifestations feel from you. Just to be clear though, just connecting your energy to your manifestations does not guarantee success.
What fuels your energy? It's simple. What you put in is what you get out. Just like you are what you eat. That's why it's crucial to fill your own cup and do the things that bring you joy and happiness.
As we mentioned before, when you connect to your manifestation on an energetic level, you essentially formed a cord to it. You have to be mindful of what energy and what you're feeding into that cord. That's why checking in with your whys are so important, because let's face it, our energies shift throughout the day.
We are not the same bundles of energy that we are in the morning versus the afternoon or even in the evening. And trust me, you do not want to be sending mixed signals to the universe. That is just a one-way ticket to shut down your manifestations.
So let's keep that energy clear and focused for maximum manifesting power. So to keep that energy flowing, please like and subscribe.
Our energy packs a punch when it comes to manifestation. Have you ever noticed how some people just totally manifest a miracle when they're at their most desperate? That is because they have tapped into the heart of their why.
Have you ever experienced a miracle out of sheer desperation? If so, please comment your story below because we would love to hear from you. Obviously, we do not recommend you wait till you hit rock bottom to start manifesting. You can kickstart the process right now without hitting that breaking point.
Let's clear up the misconception about speed. When you tidy up your cords and clean up your energy and you're more aware of it, it can actually speed your manifestations. But here's the twist. We don't actually have control about when our manifestations show up. It's all about divine timing. Sometimes our manifestations might show up in a week, and sometimes they need a little bit more time.
So we will see you in the next video where we explore and go deeper into divine timing.